The situation at Namanga town on the Kenya-Tanzania border, residents are not sure of their protection from coronavirus as the porous border is not limiting interaction of people from the two countries.
Sasa sisi tuna hofu kwa sababu hapa Namanga Watanzania wanafuka na madereva wanafuka na wanapitia hapa custom. Sisi tuko na shida sana kwa sababu hao madereva ikifika hapa wanalala lodgings, wanakula chakula. Sasa hiyo kitu inafaa hii boda ifikiriwe na serikali, kama ni kusimamisha watu usimamisho kwanza.
Too much free movement between our neighbors and ourselves, and the control measures that are being taken, we feel they are still not enough to curb or to control as the government is trying to do so.
Namanga border was put on the list of high-risk zones on Thursday after a total of 28 truck drivers from Tanzania tested positive for coronavirus between Wednesday and Thursday.
8 individuals were truck drivers from Tanzania who also tested positive and were referred back to Tanzania. 7 at the Namanga border and 1 at Hispania border.
Health Chief Administrative Secretary Dr. Mwangangi said the National Emergency Response Committee is monitoring the situation and will not hesitate to take more stringent measures as the situation dictates.
We wish to inform you, as members of the East African community, we are in constant discussion with member states on how best this matter can be handled for the safety and well-being of our communities.
She further appealed to Kenyans living along the borders to be more vigilant in addressing the threat from neighboring countries. Covid-19 infections rose to 758 Thursday as 2 more people succumbed.
From the samples tested today, 21 people have tested positive for Covid-19 disease, and all these 21 are Kenyans. The youngest is 7 years old, whereas the oldest is 79 years old.
12 cases are from Mombasa, Kajiado and Nairobi, 4 cases each, and 1 from Uasin Gishu. In Nairobi, Kibera and Eastleigh have 2 cases each. In Mombasa, Likoni recorded 5 cases, Mvita 4 and Nyali 1. In Kajiado, 3 are from Namanga border point, while 1 from Loitoktok. A total of 20 counties are affected. Nairobi now has a total of 394 cases, Mombasa 276, Kajiado 28, Mandera 14, Wajir 13, Migori 10, Kilifi 9, Kiambu 8, Kitui 4, Kwale, Nakuru and Machakos 3 cases each, Siaya, Bungoma, Busia, Kakamega, Homa Bay and Uasin Gishu having 2 cases, with Isiolo and Bomet recording a case each. So far, the government has tested 36,918 people in an aggressive move aimed at eradicating the virus, even as the World Health Organization warned that it is here to stay. As the government considers WHO's recommendations on living with the virus, the major concern is now at the border points. In the last 24 hours, 4 Tanzanians who were tested by the Kenyan authorities turned out to be positive for the virus. From Wednesday, this number is now at 27. Purity Museo, Channel 1 News, Nairobi.